Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning LC'ers, welcome back to our channel Kampung Inggris LC in TEATU Teaching Tutorial Program with me, Miss Nocita. So, in this opportunity, we are going to talk about because and because of. As you can see in the whiteboard, because and because of. So, actually, if you talk about because and because of, I'm sure that you are already familiar with this word, right? Because in our daily life, mostly we always use this kind of words, because and because of. But even though like that, there's still some people who still confused whenever they want to differentiate between which one is because and which one is because of. So, in order to make it clearly, we are going to talk more about this. We start from because. Because by itself, actually it was a conjunction, or in Bahasa Indonesia, we know that as kata penghubung. And usually, if you want to use because, it will be always followed by subject and verb. So don't forget that whenever you want to use because, it will be always followed by subject and verb. Meanwhile, in because of it consists of two prepositions. So from this, you already can see, right? It was very different between because and because of. Meanwhile, because is conjunction, and then because of is preposition. Because of, it will be always followed by noun or noun phrase. And then, let's take a look for the example. Number one is, because it was raining, we couldn't arrive on time. As you can see, in this sentence, there are because. So, can you guess which one is subject? Okay, good. The subject is it. And then we already find which one is subject. And then next we have to find verb. Which one is verb? Verb usually comes after subject. So it means that was raining, verb. That's right. So let's read it together. Because it was raining, we couldn't arrive on time. Or in bahasa, we can say that karena sedang hujan, kita tidak bisa datang tepat waktu. Can you get it? Okay, next. We are going to talk about the example of because of. Because of the rain, we couldn't arrive on time. Remember about the formula, because of followed by noun and noun phrase. So it means that from these sentences, which one is the noun? After because of. So means this one. Okay, this one is noun. So let's read it together. Because of the rain, we couldn't arrive on time. The meaning is same. And then let's take a look at the second example. Because he has strange accent, we couldn't understand him. Okay, remember which one is subject? Subject comes after because. So this one will be subject. It's good? And then about the verb, verb comes after subject. So means this one, verb. Okay. Let's read together. Because he has strange accent, we couldn't understand him. Or in bahasa, we can say that karena aksennya aneh, kita tidak bisa mengerti apa yang dia katakan. Okay, good. And then for because of, the second example, because of his accent, we couldn't understand him. Which one is noun? Okay, this one is noun. For the meaning, it's same. So guys, I think you understand about my explanation, and after this I will give you some exercise so that it will make you more understand about because and because of. Okay guys, here it is the exercise that I said to you before. So as you can see in the whiteboard, there are each question that we are going to answer together. But before that, let me remind you, if we are going to use because, it will be followed by subject and verb. Okay, good. And then, if we are going to use because of, it will be followed by noun and noun phrase. Okay, good. Now, let's read together for the first question. We got into trouble, blank you. In your opinion, which one is the answer? Because or because of? Take a look at the sentences. Can you guess it? Okay. Should it be we got into trouble because you, or we got into trouble because of you? I know that you are not the answer. So the answer will be This one. We got into trouble because of you. Why? Because you, it is noun in the sentences. Okay, we move to the second question. We cancel the trip. Blank, bad weather. So, in your opinion, which one is the best? We cancel the trip because bad weather, or we cancel the trip because of bad weather. Which one is the answer? Of course, the answer will be because of. That's right. We cancel the trip because of bad weather. Why? Because bad weather, it is noun phrase from because of. Good one. Okay, now we continue to the third question. She passed the test, blank, her teacher. So, back again to your opinion, which one is the best answer? Should it be the answer she passed the test because of her teacher, or she passed the test because her teacher? Don't forget about the formula, guys. If because, it will be followed by subject and verb. Meanwhile, for because of, it will be followed by noun or noun phrase. So, the answer will be because of. That's great. So, let's read the sentences together. She passed the test because of her teacher. Her teachers once again become the noun from these sentences. Okay, you got it? Now, let's move to the fourth question. Number 4 question. She passed the test, blank. She had a good teacher. Which one? Because or because of? Okay, good. She passed the test because she had a good teacher. Very good. Why? It's simple. Because after the because, in the blank, there are subject she. Remember? She is the subject and then followed by verb had. So, the best answer for this question is because. Okay, good. How's it going so far? And then number 5. I couldn't arrive on time, blank. I had missed the train. Okay, back again. Which one is the best answer? Should we put I couldn't arrive on time because I had missed the train, or I couldn't arrive on time because of I had missed the train? What do you think about this? Of course, this is the clue. The clue is I, where I is a subject and had is verb. So, means that the answer will be because. Good one. So, let's read together. I couldn't arrive on time because I had missed the train. Good. Okay, then next number 6. She didn't pass the test or pass the test, blank. She had not studied well. It's not good. So, which one is? Should we put she didn't pass the test because she had not studied well, or she didn't pass the test because of she had not studied well? Which one is good? Of course, the answer will be because. It's very simple, right? Just remember, because will be followed by subject and also verb, where in this case, the subject is she and then the verb is had not studied. You are doing a good job. Okay, then number 7. He couldn't run, blank, his old age. Okay, which one is? Should we put because or should we put because of? He couldn't run, blank, his old age. Remember, his old age is noun. So, of course, the answer will be because of. You got it right? Good. And the last one. The meeting was postponed, blank, the bad weather. Should we say the meeting was postponed because the bad weather? I think it's not good. Or should we say the meeting was postponed because of the bad weather? Which one? Okay, good. The meeting was postponed because of the bad weather. Okay, I hope that you are got all of this right. And don't forget that to practice all of this when you are making conversation, maybe or when you are speaking with your friends. Okay guys, that's all from me, Miss Nocita. See you next time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you think that the video is useful for you and for the others. And if you have a question and request, please comment below. Mau belajar bahasa Inggris? Ya di
Kampung Inggris LC. Kampung Inggris LC.